In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com AI. To get started, open Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, take a moment to get familiar with the area you'll be working in. Monday.com can contain multiple boards, dashboards, and tools, so it helps to know where your current projects live before using any AI features. If you already have a board open, that's a great place to begin. If not, navigate to the workspace or board where you want the AI to assist you. Next, look for the Monday AI features inside your workspace or board. Depending on your setup, these tools may appear as AI buttons, menu options, or prompts within different parts of the platform. The exact location can vary slightly, so scan the board interface carefully. You're looking for built-in AI tools that can help speed up your work and reduce repetitive manual tasks. Once you've found the AI feature, decide what you want it to help with. For example, you might use it to create tasks, summarize project updates, or help build out a board structure. This is an important moment because the better you define the goal, the more useful the output will be. Try to focus on one clear outcome at a time so the AI can generate something relevant and practical. After that, enter a clear prompt or instruction. Be specific about what you need. If you want tasks created, describe the project or objective. If you want a summary, make sure the AI has the right context to work from. Clear instructions usually lead to better results, so keep your wording direct and easy to understand. When the AI generates a result, review it carefully. Even if the output looks polished, it's always smart to check whether it actually fits your project, your team's process, and the structure of your board. AI can save time, but it still works best when paired with human review. Then, edit the output so it matches your workflow. You may want to rename tasks, adjust summaries, reorganize details, or fine-tune the content so it aligns with how you manage work inside Monday.com. Think of the AI result as a strong first draft that you can improve. Finally, save the AI created content and start using it on your board. Once everything looks right, you can move forward with a cleaner setup, faster planning, and more efficient collaboration inside Monday.com.